about the noise in the background. It's my dog. And by the way, I changed my channel's name to Buttercup Princess and Friends because someone already had the name that I picked. So let's get on with the video. So I'm going to be showing you guys all my squishies. And we're going to have a squishy counter right here. And so yeah, let's get on. So first I have this cake squishy with like rainbow stripes and strawberries on top. I have this owl with like little powdered sugar with big eyes. Then I have this muffin, just a plain old muffin. Then I have this milk, what's it called? Milk thingy. I don't know what it's called. Milk bottle or something. Then I have this, I think it's a, I don't know, tart. I think it's a tart with some whipped cream and strawberries. Then I have this big panda, and it has rosy red cheeks, and that's basically all. It's just like kind of a normal red panda. Then I have this Hello Kitty hamburger, and it just has whiskers and stuff like that, and has a little pet mouth. It's cute. Then I have this peach, just a jumbo peach. And on this side it got ripped because of my dog. He bit it and stuff like that. But this side's good, so. Then I have this unicorn blue eyes with hearts in it, as you can see. I have this cake squishy, and it has some whipped cream with strawberries. Then I have this like kind of like seed cake or something. It has a rainbow like with a little dolphin and some little dots. I think those are supposed to be sand with a little starfish right there. Then I have this Hello Kitty squishy, and has a bow with a little nose and some whiskers, just like the other one. Then I have this cinnamon roll. It looks really like you want to eat it. It's dripping a little bit right here, and like here, like has some highlights and stuff like that. Then I have this blue car. It's supposed to be a blue car cake. Those little dots are supposed to be like icing. And when you put it like this, you can see like it has a smiley face. So, that's that one. Then I have this sponge cake with some strawberry icing and some strawberries on top. Then I have this ice cream with a little like icing top on it, and it's so cute, so squishy. Have this cupcake, and it has like a little like ribbon around it, and a really nice little wrapping paper for it, and cute little stuff in it. Have another Hello Kitty sponge cake with a big strawberry that kind of looks like a chair because this long one, and it has like little dots of strawberries in it, and yeah. Then I have this watermelon, and it has lots of seeds also on the sides, and it has like the white thing right there, whatever. my last big one. This is my favorite one. It's a galaxy little deer. Has little antlers with a bow, little eyelashes, and like little drops on her head. But so squishy. Now moving on to the small ones. I have this strawberry, which is super soft and squishy. I have this panda bear, and it's on a pancake with some drippy syrup. Then I have this owl, and it has a little bow right here, and it's so cute. It has like a little nozzle right there. Cute. Sorry. Okay, so then I have this just plain old donut. Nothing really special about it. I have a mushroom. And I have this ice cream. Funny. Ice cream. Then I have this bread, which is super squishy and scented. I have this little shark on a little floaty. This tiny little mini I Bloom peach. Then I have this little bread thingy. Okay, then I have this donut with little like sprinkles with teal icing. I have just a plain old slipper with a cute little face. And then I have this smiley face bun. Got this one from my friend. I have a cracker, cute little cracker. Then I have this little waffle with syrup, with like little drizzle or something, but it came off. Then I have this little heart puppy. So cute. Then I have this donut with sprinkles. And finally, the last one is, then I have this popsicle. Okay guys, so that's all my squishies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below of what video you want me to do next. Should it be like about Shopkins, about LOLs? Like what should it be about? All kinds of toys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!